A hearty welcome to all of you. In this video, we are about to see how to build or create a theoretical framework which is of very importance in the research work. Very first thing we are going to see here, the definition. It is developed from one or multiple theories by combining them, and it is called as a set of connected concepts. And most probably, this theoretical framework is considered as a grounded one and an established framework which gives strength to how we take the research work or in which direction we have to take the research work in the near future. Now, on the same lines, this particular thing can accept different theories of your topic, or it also involves in evaluation, comparison, and selection of the most relevant ones. Similarly, this particular concept of theoretical framework is called as the critical element of the research work, mainly because it acts as an explanation of our theories and present our research and to defend our ideas in any academic debates. And at the last, theoretical framework tends to guide our entire research work, and it acts as a foundation for our research, and as it is linked to the research questions we pose as well as the research design and the research methodology. Coming to the building of a theoretical framework. Here, let us go with the points. Very first thing, defining of the key terms. Here, key terms represents any uncommon terms, means very important terms like problem statement, the research questions, and also the phrases are the words which are in the scientific document, which provide basis of the perception, and also it creates a reference for any other reader who goes through our work. And these particular concepts of theoretical framework, that is key terms, might have multiple definitions and involves in what we mean to do. Next one is evaluation and explanation. In this one, we conduct a literature review and what are the main connection between the terms that we have defined earlier, key terms, and they aim to compare and evaluate the different methods that have been carried out by the earlier researchers. Means our framework can also provide a good amount of explanation of each of our theories and explain what they are giving us. Means they tend to support our theory during the scientific questions like training and testing. Like that, this evaluation and explanation process is very important in building a theoretical framework. And we have to make sure that most important theories of our key terms are explained well in this particular part of the framework. Next one, establishing the connections. Means we can easily connect the key terms, the ideas, the terms, the concepts, and the theories which were already presented, such that they are very easy to go through as well as pursue what it has been given by the previous researchers. This is how we can indulge in creating our connections. And also, I would like to say that while you are establishing the connections, it also helps us that how this theoretical framework show that our own work fits, that our research work fits in any of the ideas we have gone through, like testing the theories, or using of the theories, or making a critique of the theories, how it is useful. Like this, after establishing connections, we can also show how it is related to our research work with respect to the theories already available. This is about building a theoretical framework. I hope you have understood in clear way. Once again, I will repeat the terms. Defining key terms. What are they? Like problem statement, research questions. After defining them, you go for evaluation and explanation with respect to the literature review by keeping in mind what are the points that has been discussed earlier in the research works, that is previous research works by the previous authors or researchers. And next, while establishing connections, we can identify how our research fits in to the already done work and what are the extension we can do in the near future. In this way, we can explain the buildup of a theoretical framework. Similarly, I would like to extend few more points on theoretical framework, as this theoretical framework is carried out before the start of our research work, such that we can explore theories surrounding our research question and research problems that already have been arrived at by the researchers in the near past. Means the goal of this entire theoretical framework is to give us the information how we can go forward in our research work by keeping the theories that have been already utilized in this research concepts. I hope this has been helped you go through our videos of our channel, and also try to subscribe our channel and provide possible feedbacks. Thank you.